In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Xero email address. If you've recently switched inboxes or just want to tidy up your account details, updating your email in Xero only takes a moment. Make sure you're already signed into your Xero dashboard before we start, and ideally have access to the new inbox you plan to use. This email becomes your primary sign-in and where important account notifications are sent, so choose an address you check regularly. From the Xero dashboard, move your cursor to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile initials or avatar. This opens your personal menu. If your window is narrow, you might need to expand the menu first, but the initials button will always be at the top right. In the menu, select Account. This takes you to your Xero identity and security settings, where you manage personal details that apply to all the Xero organizations you use. Any change you make here updates your overall Xero login, not just a single organization. On the account page, find the email address section and click Change. This area controls the email tied to your sign-in and security alerts, so it's a good place to confirm everything is accurate before moving on. Type your new email address carefully. Double check for typos, extra spaces, or the wrong domain. It's best to use an inbox you control long-term, such as a work address you'll keep or a personal address you won't lose access to. Keep in mind that Xero won't let you switch to an email that's already associated with a different Xero login. To confirm the change, enter your current Xero password. This quick security check ensures only you can update your login details. If you're unsure of your password, you can use the usual reset flow first, then return to this screen to continue. When everything looks right, click Save. Xero will process the update and, depending on your security settings, may prompt you to confirm the change or complete an extra authentication step. That's normal and helps protect your account. After the update, your new email becomes the one you'll use the next time you sign in, and it's where you'll receive account-related messages. That's it. You clicked your initials, opened your account settings, chose to change your email, entered the new address, confirmed with your password, and saved. A quick tip before you go. If you access several Xero organizations, remember this change applies across all of them since it updates your overall login. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you keep your Xero account details up to date.